my brother, Professor Machogu, is really, we really need to give it to that man, because he has really faced the bull by the horns. He is slaying the dragon in terms of mismanagement of our public universities, in terms of transforming the way we finance our public universities. And so therefore, I'm also asking public universities, which are also state corporations. The government is doing its part, the president is doing his part, the minister is doing his part. Now it's up to you. There's no excuse. We are sure that our universities can be afloat. We are sure that our universities can break even. So therefore, I want to call all the members from the councils, from our universities, and all of us really put special emphasis on this issue of financial policy.